Mom, I'm a hard worker, but I don't have to tell you that. I've managed to get A's in high school and college, and I'm responsible. I've managed the freedom that I've had while at school while also maintaining to put the work in the classroom. So I'm going to be a graduate soon, and I will be entering the working class. So I'm asking for a new, more reliable cell phone. With a new, more dependable and reliable phone, I'll have a means of reliable communication with future employers. With this entrance into the working class, I can also start putting money aside for the dream that you've had for me, putting you in a great nursing home with all the amenities that you can dream of. Also, with a more dependable phone, I'll be able to answer your phone calls more because I'll have the peace of mind that my battery isn't going to die in the middle of our conversation. I'm willing to put some money up front to help cut down on the costs, and I'm also willing to manage my data usage to make sure that we don't go over in weeks to come. I have every intention of taking care of this new phone as much as I've taken care of my old phone, and this is why I think I need a new one. What do you say, Mom?